Just walking along the beach here, picking up a few interesting stones. So here's one. It's got a definite blood red color streaking through there, and possible port for a vein or something. And turn it over here slowly. It's got some red mixed in. It's got an outer coating with an inner coloring in there, almost like a brown liver color. It's got a white edge over here, a white little area through here, and lots of little red blood look to it there. And I say it's a classic lung shape. Put the high spot right in here. I'd call that a right lung. Anyway, just sharing a little video. Hope you like collecting rocks. Get out and find some on the beach or in the river, or sometimes even in the yard. You'll find rocks of interest. Get out the anatomy book and check them out.